Welcome everyone. Last class আমি ডিসকাস কৰিছিলো about Newton's backward formula যে তোমাৰ যেটো ইন্টারপোলেট কৰিবলৈ ভ্যালু দিয়া থাকে হেতু যদি তোমাৰ টেবুলখনৰ শেষৰ ফালে থাকে or toward the end of the table তেতিয়া হলে আমি কি ধৰণৰ নিউটন ব্যাকওয়ার্ড ফর্মুলা ইউজ কৰি সেই ভ্যালুটো ইন্টারপোলেট কৰিব পাৰো ৰাইট টুডে আমি ডিসকাস কৰিম about your Lagrange interpolation formula. So this is class number 9, Lagrange interpolation formula. Now unlike your Newton's forward or backward interpolation formula, Lagrange is not similar একে ধৰণৰ formula নহয় আৰু there is a basic concept difference যে ইয়াত অলপ বেলেগ ধৰণৰ এটা need আহিলে তোমাৰ Lagrange interpolation formula use কৰা যায় and that need is যে তোমালোকৰ যদি মনত আছে আমি যেতিয়া ইন্টারপোলেশন পঢ়িছিলো স্টার্টিংটো যেতিয়া মই ডিসকাস কৰিছিলো ইন্টারপোলেশনৰ ওপৰত মই এটা এখাৰ কথা কৈছিলো যে there is assumption in case of interpolation the value of x should be equidistant right but সদায় যে হেনুকা ধৰণৰ কেসেই পাবা তেনুকা ধৰণৰ নহয় there may be some situation when আমি x ৰ value different ভাবে হি ইনক্রিজ হ'ব পাৰে right so এতিয়ালৈকে ডিসকাস কৰা গোটেই মেথডখিনি ভিতৰত তোমাৰ নিউটনস ফরওয়ার্ড ইন্টারপোলেশন বা নিউটনস ব্যাকওয়ার্ড ইন্টারপোলেশনত আমি সদায় x ৰ ভ্যালুটো সে 2 4 6 8 তেনুকা ধৰণৰ ইনক্রিজ হোৱা দেখাইছো বা 10 20 and so on ইনক্রিজ হোৱা দেখাইছো that means তাহাতৰ মাজত এটা গ্যাপ আছে and gap should be equal right but if you find out some value jot value bur একই ধৰণে ইনক্রিজ হোৱা নাই সে let us imagine a value যে 1 then 3 লকে গৈছে then next since ইয়াতে 2 increase है next by sequence যে 2 increase হলে it should have been 5 but তুমি ধৰিলা 5 না পাই ইয়াতে 8 পালা and then again it increases to 10 and so on right 13 so ইয়াত এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ সিচুৱেচনত কি দেখিছো যে আমাৰ ভ্যালুবোৰ তোমাৰ সমানকে ইনক্রিজ হৈ গৈ থকা নাই ইয়াত 2 ইনক্রিজ হৈছে ইয়াত 5 ইনক্রিজ হৈছে ইয়াত again 2 ইনক্রিজ হৈছে that 3 ইনক্রিজ হৈছে so এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ আনইভেন ইনক্রিজ বা আনইভেন ডিফাৰেন্সেছৰ ভিতৰত যদি আমি ইন্টারপোলেট কৰিব লাগে তেতিয়া হলে আমি Lagrange interpolation formula ইউজ কৰিম right so Lagrange interpolation formula is same yate assumptions ekei thakibo je let's y equal to fx is the function of x right this is your first assumption next assumption ki hoise je x or value bor hol x0 x1 up to xn right so the corresponding y value bor ki hobo y0 y1 up to yn right এটি ইয়াতে কন্ডিশন তো এইটো হৈছে যে নাম্বার 4 যে xi's are not equidistant not necessarily equidistant ha যে কেতিয়াবা কিছু সিচুৱেচনত তুমি ইকুইডিস্টেন্ট পাবও পাৰা বাট বা তোমাৰ চাৰিটা ভ্যালুৰ ভিতৰত যে তোমাৰ x ৰ ভ্যালু 1 3 5 নেক্সট 7 হ'ব লাগিছে 7 ৰ ঠাইত 8 হ'ল ৰাইট সো ইয়াত 2 হৈছে দিস থ্রি ভ্যালুজ এই পেয়ার দুটা পেয়ার these are equidistant but last pair of 3 increase হৈছে right so that means this is the odd one out so তেনুকুৱা ধৰণৰ সিচুৱেচনটো আমি Lagrange ইউজ কৰিম so basically xi's are not equidistant so in such a case Lagrange interpolation formula is given by y is equal to fx is equal to x minus x1 x minus x2 up to x minus xn divided by x0 minus x1 x0 minus x2 up to x0 minus xn into y0 plus x minus x0 x minus x2 up to x minus xn, this thing divided by x1 minus x0, x1 minus x2 up to x1 minus xn into y1, and a process of go, the last term will be x minus x0, x minus x1, x minus xn minus 1 divided by your xn minus x0, xn minus x1 up to xn minus xn minus 1 into yn. So yet a formula tut eta kotha mon koriba je agor ji dhoroner ami interpolation of forward and backward formula paisilu Newtonor prottekote delta operator to involve hoi asile, but a equation tut by a formula tut in case of your Lagrange formula there is no delta, the delta kono dhoroner yat uses nai. So delta uses nai means this we don't have to create the difference table. The difference table jikhon ami create koru for finding out delta power karone he table khon yat banabo na lage. This formula is straightforward. Eta formula tut kisuman points mon koribo laga. Prothom kotha tu hol je jite prothom tumi first term ami jita calculate kori asu ei formula to eitur tumi saba je yate uporot x0 term to minus kora nai, right? So that means x minus x0 he term to ami eliminate korisu, tarpor nai hetu term nai. Thik tolot tumar teneke x0 minus x0 term to tumar eliminate korisu. Why eliminate korisu? Because x0 minus x0 will be 0, that means entire term to tumar 0 hoi jabo, which we don't want, right? Anything divided by 0 is infinity, right? So hey to avoid kora karone ami x0 minus x0. So basically g number term ase, so the first term in this formula will be x minus hey term to x0 to nalage amak hey to narakhu aru tolot thik dorone x0 minus x0 to nalage. Otherwise x minus every other term in your series, that x0, x1, x2 up to xn loike tumar x opra prottekoke minus korim ami ei gutte kita term minus korim but x0 k bad dim, and x0 tolot thakibo eta x0 minus x1, x0 minus x2, and similarly will be multiplied by y0. So this is the first term. Second term ot ki hoibo tolot denominator x1 opra gutebur multiply hoibo except for itself, je x1 minus x1 term tu nathake tat bahire baki gute geta thakibo x1 minus x0, x1 minus x2 up to xn, right? Upor thakibo ki x minus x1 term tu bad di baki gute geta thakibo. So x1 tut bahire baki gute geta ke ami subtract korim from x and multiplied by y1. So I guess tumalke dubar man formula to sale already monot thaki jabo tumalokor. So that is Lagrange interpolation formula, and this is specifically used for uneven, right, not equidistant x values. So etia ami eta example lom to better understand this formula. Example. So example to dia ase je x values are 0, 1, 2 and then 5. So so yate 1 increase hoise, yate 1 increase hoise, but yate 3 increase hoise, and the corresponding values of fx are 2, 3, 12 and 147, right? So we want to find out what is the value of f of 4. f of 4 value kiman hoy eitu question ot ওলাব দিছে ৰাইট নাও f of 4 in this point so ইয়াতে our x0 is 0 x1 is 1 x2 is 2 and x3 is your 5 y0 value hol 2 y1 or value hol 3 and y2 value hol 12 and y3 value hol 147 okay? So the formula will be limited up to x3 and y3 right so y equal to fx is equal to yet formula to ki hobo je x minus x1 x minus x2 x minus x3 because x3 loike amar value ase divided by x0 minus x1 x0 minus x2 x0 minus x3 into y0 plus next term will be x minus x0 ebar ami x1 to bad dim iar pora so it will be x minus x2 and x minus x3 divided by x1 minus x0 x1 minus x2 and x1 minus x3 into y1 plus ebar x2 eliminate hobo ba yar pora equation to pora x2 naikia koribo lagibo from this term so it will be x minus x0 x minus x1 x minus x3 and tolot x2 minus x0 x2 minus x1 and x2 minus x3 into y2 plus the last term it yet x3 naikia hobo x minus x0 x minus x1 x minus x2 divided by x3 minus x0 x3 minus x1 and x3 minus x2 into y3 right so these are the terms jat etia ami value bor bahabo lage right so the x or value ki hoy je f of 4 ulabo dise that means our x is equal to 4 so ami yat ki baham 4 minus x1 means 1 then 4 minus x2 means 2 and then 4 minus x3 means 5 divided by x0 means 0 so 0 minus x1 means 1 0 minus 1 0 minus 2 and 0 minus 5 into y0 means 2 plus let me zoom out so that we can see everything and then next term is x minus so x is 4 minus x0 means 0 4 minus x2 means 2 and 4 minus 5 divided by x1 means 1 so 1 minus 0 1 minus 2 and 1 minus 5 into y1's means 3 right plus 4 minus 0 4 minus we are calculating this term so x0 means 0 4 minus x1 means 1 and 4 minus x3 means 5 4 minus 5 divided by your x2 minus x0 so x2 ki asile 2 asile so 2 minus 0 2 minus 1 and 2 minus 5 and then multiplied by y3, and y3 asile 3, right? Sorry, y3 is we should place y2, and y2 is 12, and last term is 4 minus 0, 4 minus your 1, 4 minus 2 divided by x3 is your 5, so 5 minus 0, 5 minus 1, and 5 minus 2 into y3 is 147. So etia ei term to tumi just simplify koribo lage, simple simplification. So 4 minus 1 is 3 into 4 minus 2 is 2 into 4 minus 5 is minus 1 divided by this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 5 into 2 plus this one is 4, this one is 2, and this one is minus 1, and then this one is 1 into minus 1 into minus 4 into 3, and then this 4 minus 0 is 4 into 4 minus 1 is 3 into 4 minus 5 is minus 1, 2 minus 0 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1, and then this is minus 3 into 12 plus 4 minus 0 is 4 into 4 minus 1 is 3 into 4 minus 2 is 2 divided by 5 minus 0 is 5 into 5 minus 1 is 4, and 5 minus 3 into 147, right? So this will give you the first term, that will give you uporot tumi 3 into 2 is your এটা minus 1 cancel out হৈ গ'ল, ইয়াতো minus আছে, ইয়াতো minus আছে, so we will get plus 10, and then you can so this is equal to 6 by 10 into 2 plus this minus 1, this minus 1 will get cancelled, so this 4 and this 4 can be cancelled out. Eta thakibo only this, we can remove this minus sign, yate thakibo minus 3 into 2 is 6, then this 3 and this 3 can be cancelled out, right? And then 2 and 12 6, so 6 4s are 24, and then there is one minus sign, and this is minus sign, so minus sign will also get cancelled, so it will be plus 24. The last term will be this 3 and this 3 will get cancelled, 4 or 4 cancel out koribo para, and then we have plus 2 times of 147 divided by 5, right? So yato 8 to cancel out koribo paro, it will give 5, so 6 by 5, and 8 to simplify korile 24 opera 6 minus korile you will get 18, okay? So plus 18 plus this 147, 2s are 294, so 294 divided by 5, so we will get, if you simplify this, as 78. Please do the calculation and verify whether this is true or not. So basically আমি কি পালো যে f of 4 is equal to 78 পালো, right? So this is how we do interpolation when the values of our argument x are not necessarily equidistant, যে সিহঁতৰ মাজত সমান ডিফাৰেন্স নাথাকিলে আমি সদায় Lagrange interpolation formula use কৰো, right? Let us take another example for Lagrange interpolation, and then we will finish this chapter. this entire chapter of your calculus of finite difference is divided into 3 parts basically. Prothom partsot ki asile je only delta aru e operator properties asile and then corresponding numericals asile. Second part on missing value observe tumar estimate kora asile, right? How if in a set of data konoba eta argumentor karone eta corresponding functional value to jodi missing hoy ase hetu kenake predict koribo pari, that was given. The third one is your interpolation, je kenake interpolate kori, and interpolation or ako duta dharon ase, eta hol equal intervals and eta hol unequal intervals. So let's take another example. Okay, so this example is given as, okay, the values are x equal to -5, -3, and then 3 and then 5. Okay, and the corresponding values of fx are u -5, u -3, u3 and u5. এটা কোনো ধৰণৰ numerical value দিয়া নাই, আৰু rather তোমাক এটা symbols বা এটা expression দিয়া আছে for fx. Now you need to find out what is the value for u1. So u1 বা basically f of 1 ওলাব লাগে তুমি, right? What is f of 1? Yes sir. So ইয়াতে চোৱা যে this example ইয়াতে ইহঁতৰ মাজত difference is 2, ইহঁতৰ মাজত difference is 6, and ইয়াৰ মাজত difference is 2. That means this is not equal, so we will use Lagrange interpolation. So Lagrange interpolation কৰিব লগা হলে we will use the formula. ইয়াত এতিয়া আমাৰ হাতত So let's take another example of Lagrange interpolation. So example to dia ase je x or values are 0, 1, 2 and সবতে একে কি দি আছে মোৰা ক্লিয়াৰ কাইন্ড অফ okay so let's take another example of Lagrange interpolation formula an example to dia ase je 1 3 7 and 12 and the corresponding fx of value dia ase is 4 and then 18 20 and 25 okay? And you are supposed to find out what is f of 4 so again f of 4 ulabo lage ami right so yate ki ase sarita known value ase that means we have x0 x1 x2 and x3 similarly y0 y1 y2 and y3 ase right so the same process eke dhorono hobo and x is equal to 4 right so we will write y equal to f of x is equal to your x means 4 so 4 minus 3 4 minus 7 and 4 minus 12 and then x0 is 1 1 minus 3 1 minus 7 and 1 minus 12 into y0 is 4 plus next term is your 4 minus 1 4 minus 7 and 4 minus 12 and then 3 minus 1 3 minus 7 and 3 minus 12 and y1 is equal to 18 and plus 4 minus 1 4 minus 3 4 minus 12 and then 7 minus 1 7 minus 3 7 minus 12 into 20 and the last one is 4 minus 1 4 minus 3 and 4 minus 7 and then 12 minus 1 12 minus 3 and 12 minus 7 into last is 25 so by this time তোমালোকে হয়তো প্যাটার্নটো অলরেডি নোটিস কৰিছাই যে তুমি সোৱা যে -3 -7 -12 ৰাইট সো গুটেখিনিৰে পিছফালৰ ভ্যালুখিনি সেম থাকে ৰাইট and ওপৰত সদায় the value that we are interested in x so হেতু পৰাই মাইনাস হৈ আছে 4 right 4 that is constant so jitu term tumi prothom termot ki hoise je f of this term a term tur karone ami 1 to ignore korisu right so 1 minus 1 aru jitu uporot ignore hoy hetu tololeke ahi jay right so 4 minus 3 4 minus 7 4 minus 12 1 to ami miss korisu ekan tolot 1 ahi jabo 1 minus eta tar uporot ji dhorone minus hoise -3 -7 -12 tolotu ekei so there is nothing to look into the table bare bare tumloke sai thakibo nalage once you know the flow tumloke automatically tolor denominator to likhibo pariba right similarly yate 4 uporot tumar x or value to constant hoy ase so ebar ami 3 ignore korisu right so 1 7 12 ase so -1 7 12 thakibo and 3 ignore uporot hoisile karone tolot 3 3 3 so that's the pattern and he pattern mode de tumaloke formula to bohabo lage and if you simplify this 4 minus 3 is 1 into 4 minus 7 is minus 3 into this one is minus your 8. Minus 3 minus 8, and then 1 minus 3 is minus 2, then minus 6, and then minus 11 into 4 plus 4 minus 1 is 3 into 4 minus 7 is minus 3 into 4 minus 12 is minus 8, and 3 minus 1 is 2, 3 minus 7 is minus 4 into 3 minus 12 is minus 9 into 18 plus 4 minus 1 is 3 into 4 minus 3 is 1 into 4 minus 12 is minus 8, and then 7 minus 1 is 6, 7 minus 3 is 4, and 7 minus 12, this one is 12, 7 minus 12 is minus 5 into 20 plus your 4 minus 1 is 3 into 4 minus 3 is 1 into 4 minus 7 is minus 3, 12 minus 1 is 11 into 12 minus 3 is 9 and 12 minus 7 is 5 into 25. Okay, so minus 11 ase, minus 2 ase, minus 3, minus 8, so 2 of the minus sign from up and 2 of the minus sign from down cancel kori dibo parim ami, right? Then there will be some terms that will be cancelled, je 8 2 2 4 or 2 hoi gol, right? This 3 6 2 hoi gol and this 2 cancel out hoi gol, right? Similarly this 3 and 3 minus 9 and minus 9 and this cancel out, 2 4 8 and this minus cancel out, so ami 18 thakile, right? So etia yate tumi ki hoja 5, this is 4 and minus sign here cancel out hoi gol, this 4 got cancelled, 8 3 yat 2 and this 2 yat 4, and yate minus 3 and 3 9 logot cancel koribula 5 and 25 5 thakile. So if we simplify everything, we will get your minus 8 by 11 plus 18 plus 4 minus 5 by 11. So with these two together, this 2 18 or 4 opora ami 22 pam, and then ami common lole minus 2 common lo, 8 plus 5 is 13, so we will get 22 minus 13 by 11, which is 229 by 11. Now you can keep it like this, right? So basically for this value f of 4 is 229 by 11. Yes, sir? So that's all for today. So in this class we have discussed about your Lagrange interpolation. So far ami ei gote chapter to sabo loga hole ami tinta beleg topic cover korisu, right? So the first topic is your delta and E operator, right? So difference, this is difference, and this one is shift operator, and delta and E operator properties ki hoy and tar numericals tar related etu ami discuss kori, which are important, right? Next ami ki korlu je we have studied how to find missing values, right? So suppose xor value x0 x1 x2 and x3 karone dia ase and corresponding y0 y1 but y2 nai and y3 dia ase, then using your delta operator kenake missing observation ulabo pari heitu study koraise. And third one is your interpolation, right? So in interpolation ki hoy je you have certain values of the argument x and tar corresponding tomar function to value dia ase x aro fx or, এণ্ড তুমি ক'ৰবাত ইণ্টাৰমিডিয়েট টাৰ্ম এটাৰ কাৰণে এফএক্সৰ ভেলু কি হ'ব পাৰে সেইটো এষ্টিমেট কৰাটো ইণ্টাৰপোলেশ্যন ৰাইট এণ্ড দেন ইণ্টাৰপোলেশ্যনত আমি তিনিটা বেলেগ বেলেগ মেথড পাইছোঁ এটা হ'ল তোমাৰ ফৰৱাৰ্ড এটা হ'ল তোমাৰ বেকৱাৰ্ড এণ্ড এটা হ'ল তোমাৰ লাগৰাঞ্জেছ ৰাইট চ' ফৰৱাৰ্ড এণ্ড বেকৱাৰ্ড কি হ'ব যেতিয়া ইকুৱেল ডিফাৰেঞ্চ থাকে এক্সৰ মাজত আৰু এণ্ড লাগৰাঞ্জ ইণ্টাৰপোলেশ্যন কেতিয়া হ'ব যেতিয়া তাহাঁতৰ মাজত নট ইকুৱেল ৰাইট সিহঁত ইকুইডিষ্টেঞ্চ নহ'বও পাৰে সিহঁতৰ মাজত গেপবোৰ বেলেগ বেলেগ ধৰণৰ তেতিয়া আমি লাগৰাঞ্জ ইণ্টাৰপোলেশ্যন ফৰ্মুলা ইউজ কৰোঁ So that's all for today's class and also ইয়াৰ লগতে আমাৰ ফাৰ্ষ্ট চেপ্টাৰ which is calculus of finite difference in interpolation শেষ হৈছে আমি নেক্সট ক্লাছত নিউমেৰিকেল ইণ্টিগ্ৰেশ্যন চেপ্টাৰ ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰিম and we will deal with what is numerical integration explain কৰিম and তাক কিয় ইউজ কৰা হয় ষ্টেটিষ্টিক্সত সেই বিষয়ে নেক্সট ক্লাছত আমি ডিছকাছ কৰিম So that's all for today see you in the next class